What are the tests which we can go ahead for a patient who is having PCOD? So there can be a battery of investigations to find out whether you are having PCOD or is there any repercussion of PCOD on your body or not. So we have some hormonal tests for that. We can go for an ultrasound to confirm PCOD. There can be associated problems through which we can indirectly know that you are suffering from PCOD. So in hormonal test, basically we have 4-5 tests which are to be done on day 1 or day 2 of your periods. And if the test suggests that there is a hormonal disturbance, then you are likely a candidate of PCOD. Second thing is, on ultrasound, if we are able to see many eggs on ultrasound, it is an very affirmative evidence, very confirmed evidence of having a PCOD. Also, if we have indirectly come to the conclusion that you have PCOD with some complaints which I've already told you, like irregular periods, scanty periods, not able to conceive, hair fall, facial symptoms, then this also adds to our diagnosis that you are having PCOD. So nowadays, patients are very much particular about their faces, their symptoms cosmetically. So most of them, they sometimes go to dermatologist also for confirming that whether they have some issue or not, or whether laser can be done or not. So we get many patients from dermatologists who suggest that you better go to a gynecologist, although you may be having normal cycles or not, but the treatment has to be done in both ways. Like, you have to go for a dermat sitting as well as you have to get treated for the root cause of your issue. So as far as the diagnosis is concerned, we have to see the hormonal status of patient, we have to see ultrasound, as well as we have to see the main symptoms or associated problems through which we indirectly come to know that you are having PCOD. Once we are sure that you are having PCOD, we have many treatments to offer to you as per your age, as per your complaints, and as per your hormonal status. If you are a very young girl who is having irregular periods and facial symptoms, we can go with a moderate kind of a treatment in which you are benefited cosmetologically, as well as we add some medicines to control your cycles. If you are a married lady who is willing to have baby or going to plan for pregnancy, we have other symptoms to other tests, other battery of tests to know the fertility potential, and if there is any other problem you are suffering along with PCOD which may hinder your pregnancy. So then, if the periods are regular, we offer you treatment for pregnancy, or if the periods are irregular, we first give some hormonal treatment so that your periods become regular, and then we offer you there are different kinds of treatment which can be offered to you for enhancing your pregnancy. Pregnancy per se can take a little more time in case if you are suffering from PCOD, because their hormonal milieu is a little different than others. So first we have to balance your hormones, and then only we can give you treatment. So there are many treatment options, but as I stated that it is a lifestyle disorder. So once that lifestyle things we start changing, it adds to the treatment. So going for a walk, if you are obese, or if you have other medical disorders, then you can start with diet, exercise, gym, yoga, or any alternative therapy, so that your weight is reduced, and because of that the hormonal disturbance is a little balanced. So lifestyle changes, they matter a lot in case you are suffering from PCOD. Once you start doing some or the other lifestyle regimes like yoga, exercise, diet, gymming, anything which can reduce your weight, the hormonal milieu will become normal, and you will be more susceptible to the treatment whatever is offered to you, either in the form of hormones or in the form of pregnancy. So lifestyle changes are very important. Along with this, we give hormonal treatment. We sometimes offer non-hormonal treatment also. If there is a medical cause like thyroid or prolactin or diabetes or hypertension, anything of any sort, that has to be treated along with PCOD treatment to get the optimum benefit. So I think through this talk I'm able to make you understand PCOD in a little way which I could. Thank you very much.